In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Telegram cache on your computer quickly and safely. Clearing cache is a simple way to free up storage space, remove temporary files, and keep the app running a little smoother without deleting your chats or important messages. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tips. Let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once Telegram is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click the hamburger menu. This is the three-line menu that gives you access to Telegram's main settings. From the menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, scroll through the options until you find Advanced, then click on it. The Advanced section is where Telegram keeps extra controls for storage, downloads, and app performance. After that, scroll down until you see Manage Local Storage. Click it to open Telegram's storage management options. Here, Telegram shows you the files and media stored locally on your device. This is where cached data can build up over time, especially if you use Telegram often or receive a lot of photos, videos, and documents. To clear it, click Clear All. Telegram will then delete the temporary files and cached media from your computer. This can help free up valuable space, and in most cases, it won't affect your actual conversations because your messages are still stored in the cloud. If you want to be extra careful, take a quick look at what you're clearing before confirming, especially if you have files you might want to keep downloaded locally. And that's it. You've now deleted Telegram cache on your computer. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference if your storage is filling up. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.